Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make those like aesthetic girl thumbnails. So if you're finished editing your vlog and you don't know what to use for your thumbnail, I got you. So you guys know I'm using Canva for this class. I've been using Canva since I'm pretty sure February. And you could use templates, but I like to edit it on my own, so like I like it better. Okay, enough of my yapping, let's finally get into the video. Okay, right now I'm on Canva, and so the first thing I do is go to social media and then go to YouTube thumbnail. I tried to experiment with these ones, it did not work. I prefer doing it on my own. But first you're gonna go to elements, and then you're gonna go and then you're gonna go until you see frames over here. Then press it. And then just press like the classic square one. That one, like I use it for everything. But put it at the corner. It can be on any corner. You can do any layout you want. But I'm just going to do this corner. And then I'm just going to put it up a little bit until like you see that like purple like magenta line kind of. And then you're going to duplicate it, be it again. And then you're going to bring it to this side. For me, I just put it there. Pull it down. So it's like that. Boom. So this is the things that are related to like your video or like vlog. And then this white spot, that's where like your main photo is gonna go. So I'm just gonna pick a random photo for me. And now we have our main photo. Now I'll just like use like random photo, just use photos that are related to your vlog and put it. I'm just gonna put random ones because I'm obviously not making anything right now. Boom, and then but this is our layout now, and now we're gonna do text, and then we're gonna press add heading. And now these like aesthetic girls have like one specific font. I got you. You can either use Arial or Helvetica World. I use Helvetica World. Sometimes I use the Arial. I just like alternate between both. Press Helvetica World. You're gonna go to effects. Go to effects, and then you're gonna press drop. That's how I do that kind of like background look. So then you're gonna put your transparency all the way up. You can blur it a bit, but that is if you want something a bit different. But I'm just gonna make the offset kind of like pop at the bottom so that like your text is like bold and big. People can actually see. I could just like blur it big and no blur, a lot of blur, but I just want to prefer if you want this kind of style, just don't put too much blur. But yeah, and then after, change the size and please make it big because people they're gonna scroll past like text that they can't even see. Lazy to just like get one. Go to default solid colors and then press see all. Go to the last column over here and then you can just pick like all these cute colors. My favorite is light lemon, but sometimes I like to make it a bit lighter because it's not that light. So I just pick a random background to use to just fill in this one. I'm just gonna put this random thing and then get yourself wait, if you can't like if you don't have like you need to like kind of like pay to get a background, but since I use it on my school account I have it for free. But that's not the case for you guys, so just try your best. But you can also just use eraser too, and just use background eraser remover, sorry, and then boom, hold on, yeah, boom. Oh my days, that looks horrible. But now you have your background, and this is how I kind of like make my background. But yeah, I just like to play around a bit and make sure I like it. I don't want to trace it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I don't want to trace it. So instead I go to outline and I use this. Obviously I press the settings button and then I turn it to white. But this is way too thick and I don't like it, so I like to just make sure it's okay. I just thought of a new layout idea. So like if you want like your text to go behind you, I got you. So this is like what I'm actually going to use for this video. So I'm just gonna, obviously you can see that it won't go behind you. Oh, it will. Oh well, just make the text bigger and boom, it's already behind you. Or just do it kind of massagically. I can't really see the text. Really helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you're gonna use this or not. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, God bless.